A lot of temptations came. Oh, I'm not going to lie to you. A lot of temptations came. A lot of setup. Because I was set up with a marketer, Epsilon. Mo ti sọ fún yín pé mo máa dárúkọ. Tẹ́ bá ti mọ̀ pé ẹ ready pé kí n má dárúkọ. Ẹ jẹ́ máa lọ jẹ́jẹ́ mi.
No, mo ready.
Èmi ò kí ń ṣe èèyàn. Èmi ò ń ṣe èèyàn tí ó máa sọ̀rọ̀. Tó máa sọ pé mo forúkọ bò láṣìírí. Mo sọ fún sis dọjọ́ yẹn. Kí ló ń jẹ́ mo forúkọ bò láṣìírí? Ṣé àṣírí wo àwọn tó jẹ́ pé àṣírí wọn ti tú sáyé already? You understand? Okay, that's really one about it. To someone to man woman. At least within the movie industry. I'm on what's up. I'm on bushing law. You understand? So what's the need trying to cover somebody's and you to pay ko one monkato morals. One monkakon, one con that just so what's the point trying to support more for me ready at it for call boy because let me show why. Even before I always tell my friend, I don't know if she's still here watching, so I always tell her, even before I left for the UK, my coming into the UK was something that just came. It wasn't something that I was planning. Come on, travel. Quit acting. No. So I've always few people told me. One more quick I don't send any bagger. So now you are there. I don't send any bagger because I believe that it was help me. When I was really struggling, when I was really hustling, to be something, at least to be doing something that I had a passion for. You can't say, sis, cooking say, ni any machine, got you that for me. Cooking say, lo ma so pe, even if by everyone, man so pe, one, if me on share gone, more, be more, man tackle, I know the way I talk about them. So cooking say, ni any echo sing anybody, any one of them. Think or consolation because the worst they could do then was not calling me for jobs.
Yeah.
And to God be the glory. Because some of those jobs, they won't even pay. If that's my passion, and when you location of the place, they won't even pay. They won't pay. You just go there and do your thing and get out. You understand? So, okay, move for anybody. So back to Orion. I'm when you set up. I was set up with Epsilon.
Who did that?
So that one ma call for one. Toya Yemaku. So that one ma call for one. When I was there, I lived with that for 3 years. So that one ma call for one ma she frame.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí arábìnrin tó wà ní fídíò tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí actress Títí Lọlá Òsínwó kí ni tí ẹ lérò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí arábìnrin yìí sọ báyìí ò ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa látàrí ẹ̀sùn tí ó fi kan òṣèrébìnrin Tóyìn Abraham ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa tí ẹ bá lérò ẹ tẹ̀ sí comment section.
You understand? A lot of things happened. A lot of things happened.